Title: ɡlɔs, the art of sheen and shine. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡlɔs. Ɡlɔs is a noun that refers to a smooth, shiny, and reflective finish or coating applied to surfaces, such as paper, paint, or lips, to enhance their appearance. It's a term that signifies the art of adding sheen and allure. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡlɔs is simple ɡlɔs, with a soft G and a short O. Use in a sentence. For example, the gloss on the car's exterior made it gleam like new, reflecting the sunlight in a captivating way. Importance: ɡlɔs enhances the aesthetics of various items, from printed materials and artwork to cosmetics, making them more appealing and attractive. Conclusion: in summary, ɡlɔs is a word that represents the magic of sheen and shine, adding allure to the world around us. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the ɡlɔs that adds a touch of beauty to our everyday lives.